Hi, I am Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, and from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, I am going to present my topic on mental delivery in software project management. This concept is very important because at today's fast growing IT industry, successful project delivery is not based only on technical skills but also on how well a project manager and the team think, plan and make decisions. Many projects fails not because of poor coding but because of poor planning or lack of clarity in the project and weak leadership. So mental delivery focuses on the internal thinking process that happens before and during the execution of a project. Mental delivery in software project management refers to the cognitive and psychology readiness of the project manager and the team to plan, execute, monitor, and successfully deliver a project. It includes mindset, analytical thinking, and decision making ability and leadership qualities. So instead of directly starting development, a successful project manager first build a clear picture of the entire project in their mind. So this includes understanding the requirements, predicting challenges and preparing solutions in advance. So in simple words, it is about delivering the project mentally before delivering it physically. Okay, so to understand this better, let us look the meaning of mental delivery in practical way. It involves the visualizing the final outcome of the software, imagining how each module will function and predicting how user will interact with the system. So it also includes anticipating risk such as technical errors, time delays or communication gaps. For example, if a team is developing a mobile application, right, so the project manager may mentally walk through the user's interface, features and performance issues even before development starts. This kind of thinking helps in reducing the errors and improving the efficiency. So mental delivery plays a crucial role in software project management. One of its main advantage is improved the decision making. When a manager has already thought through different scenarios, it becomes easier to choose the best solution. So it also enhances the risk anticipation, which means problems can be identified and solved at an earlier stage. Another important benefits is better team coordinations. When the project vision is clear, all team members understand their roles and responsibilities, which reduces the confusions in the projects. Moreover, mental delivery helps is reducing the project failure and ensures that the project is completed on time with good quality. Now let us discuss the key point of mental delivery in detail. So the first component is having a clear project vision. A project manager must clearly understand the goals, scope and expected result of the project. This also involves aligning the expectations of stakeholders such as the clients, developers and testers. When the vision is clear, the team can work with confidence and direction. Without a clear vision, the project may face misunderstanding and delays. So the second component is a strategic thinking. This means planning the project in a structured and intelligent way. The manager must choose the appropriate development model such as agile, waterfall or spiral depending on the nature of the project. They also need to break down the project into the smaller phases, assign tasks to team members and manage resource efficiently. Strategic thinking ensures the project moves smoothly without unnecessary applications. The next important component is a risk awareness, having a risk mindset. Every software project has uncertainties and it is impossible to avoid the risk completely. However, a good project manager can identify the risk earlier, earlier and prepare the mitigation strategies. For example, if there is a possibility of delay due to the lack of resources, the manager can plan alternative solutions in advance. So continuous monitoring of risk help in minimizing their impact on the project. Another key component is decision making ability. Decision making ability. In a project, many situations requires quick and logical decisions. A project manager must be able to analyze the situation, consider different options, and choose the best solution. They also need a balance factor such as cost, time, and quality. For instance, if a client requests a sudden change, the manager must decide whether to accept it immediately or adjust the timeline accordingly. Good decision making ensures the project stability and success. So team psychology and leadership is also very important aspects of mental delivery. A project manager is not just as a planner but also a leader who guides the team. So they must motivate team members, resolve the conflicts, and maintain a positive work environment. When the team members feel supported and valued, they are more productive and committed to the project. So strong leadership improves the communication and the teamwork, which are essential for successful project delivery. Next is an adaptability and flexibility are equally important in real world project. So changes are very common. Requirements may change based on the client feedback or market conditions. A project manager must be flexible enough, adjust plans and adapt to new situations instead of resisting changes. They should see them as opportunities for improvement. Learning from feedback and past mistakes also helps in achieving the better results in future projects. So mental delivery is applied across all phases of the software development life cycle. In the planning phase, the project is visualized and strategies are created. In design and development phase, the manager ensures that everything is progressing according to the plan. So in the testing phase, they focus on quality and identify the errors. Finally, in the delivery phase, they ensure that the project meets all the requirements and it's successfully handed over to the client. So this shows the mental delivery is the continuous process that supports a project from start to finish. In addition, in these points, mental delivery also helps improving the communication. A project manager who has a clear mental understanding of the project can explain idea more effectively to the team and the stakeholders. It also builds the confidence in the team as they feel guided and supported throughout the project. So moreover, it reduces stress because the team is prepared to handle the challenges in advance. To conclude, so to conclude the mental delivery powerful concept in software project management that focuses on the mental and psychological aspects of the project execution. It helps project managers think clearly, plan effectively, manage risk, and lead teams successfully. A successful project is not just about writing code but about having the right minded, clear vision, and strong leadership. By applying the mental delivery, we can improve the project performance and reduce failures and achieve the better outcomes. Thank you.